motivational quotes by famous personalities. The road to success is more likely to be rocky than smooth. Life is full of ups and downs. We must learn from our mistakes and persevere through the hard times, keeping faith in better times ahead. Reading motivational quotes by famous people can give us the strength to keep going. It is always worth paying attention to the advice, experience, and wisdom of those who have achieved great things in life. Motivation is the invisible force that drives us forward. It forces us to set new goals and change the image of our present self for the better. These goals enable us to concentrate our energy in the right direction so that we don't waste what limited time that we have. At moments when our motivation is weakened, we start to doubt. We doubt our abilities, we lose faith, and we need to re-energize and recapture that lost motivation. This video is about inspirational quotes by famous personalities that will act as a source of inspiration for all of us. Motivational quotes by famous philosophers. Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda, born Narendranath Datta, was an Indian Hindu monk and philosopher. He was a chief disciple of the 19th century Indian mystic Ramakrishna. He was a key figure in the introduction of the Indian Darsanas, teachings, practices of Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world, and is credited with raising interfaith awareness, bringing Hinduism to the status of a major world religion. During the late 19th century, Vivekananda founded the Ramakrishna Mutt and the Ramakrishna Mission. Famous quote of Swami Vivekananda: "Take up one idea, make that one idea your life. Dream of it, think of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, the body, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success, and this is the way great spiritual giants are produced." Meaning, the path to success can be simpler than most people think. However, it involves as a laser-sharp focus and a nearly obsessive single-mindedness towards a goal that you are 100% convinced of. All it takes is one idea. One idea, says Swami Vivekananda, to make your life, every part of your body, your entire brain, one which will carry you to success at the expense of every other idea out there. Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the father of the nation, was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist, and political ethicist who employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule and to later inspire movements for civil rights and freedom across the world. The honorific Mahatma, Sanskrit Great Salt. The honorific Mahatma, Sanskrit Great Salt, first applied to him in 1914 in South Africa, is now used throughout the world. Mahatma Gandhiji is revered in India as the father of the nation. Famous quote of Mahatma Gandhiji: "Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Meaning, many people live every single day with so much regrets, depression and stress. They all forget to live. Living is to prove God that He did the right thing by sending you in this world. Gandhiji points out that life is something you live to the fullness and learn throughout it. Gandhiji chose the words die tomorrow and live forever to allow people to pretend there is no tomorrow and that you should do what you always wanted in life, and living forever is the opportunity to learn throughout the years you live. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was an Indian polymath, poet, writer, playwright, composer, philosopher, social reformer, and painter. He reshaped Bengali literature and music as well as Indian art with contextual modernism in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Tagore is best known as a poet, and in 1913 was the first non-European writer to be awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature. Highly prolific, Tagore was also a composer and wrote the national anthems for both India and Bangladesh, as well as an educator, social reformer, philosopher, and painter. Famous quote of Rabindranath Tagore: "Clouds come floating into my life, no longer to carry rain or usher storm, but to add color to my sunset sky." Meaning, poet is telling that he is totally bounded by the difficulties. He no longer could find anything to protect him, but still he believes that with his strong and sheer determination, he will handle all the difficulties and will add new journey to the life. Jiddu Krishnamurti. Jiddu Krishnamurti was an Indian philosopher, speaker and writer. In his early life, he was groomed to be the new word teacher, but later rejected this mantle and withdrew from the Theosophy organization behind it. Famous quote of Jiddu Krishnamurti: "In oneself lies the whole world, and if you know how to look and learn, the door is there and the key is in your hand. Nobody on earth can give you either the key or the door to open except yourself." Meaning, he believed in total awareness as being essential for a free mind. Human beings always learn it from their past, and it was important that they looked inwards and freed themselves from self-perpetuated torment. It was also necessary that they avoided repression. Socrates. Socrates was a Greek philosopher from Athens who is credited as a founder of Western philosophy and the first moral philosopher of the ethical tradition of thought. Famous quote of Socrates: "The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. The unexamined life is not worth living." Meaning, remain humble and appreciate the fact that you don't know everything. Thankfully, one's search for knowledge has no end, as there is always something new to learn, giving one's life meaning and purpose. Aristotle. Aristotle was a Greek philosopher and polymath during the classical period in ancient Greece. Taught by Plato, he was the founder of the Lyceum, the Peripatetic school of philosophy, and the Aristotelian tradition. Famous quote of Aristotle: "We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence is not an act, but a habit." Meaning, the philosopher Aristotle, who lived from 384 to 322 BC, knew way back then that excellence is not something that is done once or by sheer force of will. Excellence is something that develops over time by doing simple, basic things over and over again until they become habit. Excellence is a habit. Lao Tzu. Lao Tzu, also rendered as Laozi and Laozi, was an ancient Chinese philosopher and writer. He is the reputed author of the Tao Te Ching, the founder of philosophical Taoism and a deity in religious Taoism and traditional Chinese religions. Famous quote of Lao Tzu: "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step." Meaning, meaning of a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step is that a person must begin his or her journey to reach their goal or destination. It is a motivational proverb that expresses deep insight about determination and avoiding procrastination. Plato. Plato was an Athenian philosopher during the classical period in ancient Greece, founder of the Platonist school of thought and the Academy, the first institution of higher learning in the Western world. Famous quote of Plato: "Do not train a child to learn by force or harshness, but direct them to it by what amuses their minds, so that you may be better able to discover with accuracy the peculiar bent of the genius of each." Confucius. Confucius was a Chinese philosopher, poet, and politician of the spring and autumn period who was traditionally considered the paragon of Chinese sages. Confucius' teachings and philosophy formed the basis of East Asian culture and society, and continues to remain influential across China and East Asia as of today. He also established ethical, moral, and social standards that form the basis of a way of life known as Confucianism. Famous quote of Confucius: "Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall." Meaning, when he said that our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall, he described the journey that we all go through in life to succeed. He also highlighted the importance of persistence. Pythagoras. Pythagoras of Samos was an ancient Ionian Greek philosopher and the eponymous founder of Pythagoreanism. His political and religious teachings were well known in Magna Graecia and influenced the philosophies of Plato, Aristotle, and through them Western philosophy. Famous quotes of Pythagoras: "Wisdom thoroughly learned will never be forgotten." Motivational quotes by scientists. APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam, in full, Abul Pakir Jainul-Abidin Abdul Kalam, born October 15, 1931, Rameswaram in India, and died on July 27, 2015, Shillong. Indian scientist and politician who played a leading role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapons programs. He was President of India from 2002 to 2007. Famous quote: "Dream is not the thing you see in sleep, but is that thing that doesn't let you sleep." Meaning, dreams means a passion for your goals, and passions don't let you think of anything else rather than your goals. C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman was an Indian scientist who received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930 for his work on light scattering, which was termed as the Raman effect. Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman was an Indian physicist, known for his work in the field of light scattering. Using a spectrograph that he developed, he and his student K.S. Krishnan discovered that when light traverses a transparent material, the deflected light changes its wavelength and frequency. Famous quote: "Success can come to you by courageous devotion to the task lying in front of you." Vikram Sarabhai. Vikram Ambala Sarabhai was an Indian physicist and astronomer who initiated space research and helped develop nuclear power in India. He was honored with Padma Bhushan in 1966 and the Padma Vibhushan in 1972. Dr. Sarabhai was considered as the father of the Indian space program. He was a great institutional builder and established or helped to establish a large number of institutions in diverse fields. Thus, Vikram Sarabhai founded the Physical Research Laboratory (PRL) in Ahmedabad on November 11, 1947. Famous quote: "He who can listen to the music in the midst of noise can achieve great things." Homi J. Bhabha. Regarding it as the father of Indian nuclear program, Homi Jahangir Bhabha was an Indian nuclear physicist instrumental in bringing India to the fore as a nuclear developed state. He was also the founding director of Tata Institute of Fundamental Research and the Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Famous quote: "For each man can do best and excel in only that thing of which he is passionately fond, in which he believes, as I do, that he has the ability to do it, that he is in fact born and destined to do it." Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was an Indian-American astronaut and engineer who was the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. She first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. Her second flight was on STS-107, the final flight of Space Shuttle Columbia in 2003. Famous quote: "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it, and the perseverance to follow it." Thomas Edison. Thomas Alva Edison was an American inventor and businessman. He developed many devices in fields such as electric power generation, mass communication, sound recording, and motion pictures. These inventions, which include the phonograph, the motion picture camera, and early versions of the electric light bulb, have had a widespread impact on the modern industrialized world. Famous quote: "Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration," said Thomas Edison, who invented light bulb, meaning this quote shows the importance of dedication and hard work over mere creativity. The quote immaculately and succinctly captures the ingredients to success. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist widely acknowledged to be one of the greatest physicists of all time. Einstein is best known for developing the theory of relativity, but he was also made important contributions to the development of the theory of quantum mechanics. Famous quote: "The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. One cannot help but be in awe when he contemplates the mysteries of eternity, of life, of the marvelous structure of reality. It is enough if one tries merely to comprehend a little of this mystery every day." Meaning, One of the most important benefits of being a curious person is that you will become open minded towards new ideas, interests, and adventures. Being curious helps you to approach challengingly tasks or problematic situations in a positive, curious way rather than steadily visualizing the associated fears towards a task. Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was an English mathematician, physicist, astronomer, theologian, and an author widely recognized as one of the greatest mathematicians and physicists of all time, and among the most influential scientists. Although Isaac Newton is well known for his discoveries in optics, white light composition, and mathematics calculus, it is his formulation of the three laws of motion, the basic principles of modern physics, for which he is most famous. Famous quote: "Truth is ever to be found in the simplicity and not in the multiplicity and confusion of things." Rita Levi Montalcini. Rita Levi Montalcini was an Italian Nobel Prize laureate honored for her work in neurobiology. She was awarded the 1986 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine jointly with colleague Stanley Cohen for the discovery of nerve growth factor. Famous quote: "Above all, don't fear difficult moments. The best comes from them." Marie Curie. Marie Salome Skłodowska-Curie was a Polish and naturalized French physicist and chemist who conducted pioneering research on radioactivity. Marie Curie is remembered for her discovery of radium and polonium and her huge contribution to finding treatments for cancer. Famous quote: "Life is not easy for any of us, but what of that? We must have perseverance and above all, confidence in ourselves. We must believe that we are gifted for something and that this thing must be attained." Stephen Hawking. Stephen William Hawking was an English theoretical physicist, cosmologist, and author who, at the time of his death, was director of research at the Centre for Theoretical Cosmology at the University of Cambridge. He was one of the greatest theoretical physicists of the modern age. Best known for his appearances in popular media and his lifelong battle against debilitating illness, his true impact on posterity comes from his brilliant 5-decade career in science. Famous quote: "However difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at." Meaning, however bad life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. Where there is life, there is hope. Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur was a French chemist and microbiologist renowned for his discoveries of the principles of vaccination, microbial fermentation, and pasteurization. Famous quote: "Science knows no country because knowledge belongs to humanity and is the torch which illuminates the world. Science is the highest personification of the nation because that nation will remain the first which carries the furthest the works of thought and intelligence." Motivational quotes by sports persons. Neeraj Chopra. Neeraj Chopra wins first athletics gold for India in the Olympics. Neeraj Chopra, a star javelin thrower, became only the second Indian to win an individual gold medal in the Tokyo Olympics 2020. Neeraj's win has inspired the nation and made its citizens proud. From being an overweight kid to becoming a role model of Indian athletes, Neeraj has shown the world that anyone can accomplish his dreams. Hailing from Panipat in Haryana, Chopra had to practice on the road for most parts of his childhood, but it did not hinder him from achieving great feats. A World Junior Champion, Chopra also clinched gold in the 2016 South Asian Games, the Commonwealth Games in 2018, and the Asian Games in Jakarta in 2018. Famous quote: "When the desire for success does not let you sleep, when there is nothing better than hard work, when you do not get tired after working continuously, understand that you are going to create a new history of success." Kapil Dev. Kapil Dev Ramlal Nikhanj is an Indian former cricketer. He was a fast medium bowler and a hard-hitting middle-order batsman. He led India to win its first Cricket World Cup title in 1983. He was named by Wisden as the Indian Cricketer of the Century in 2002. Famous quote: "When you have to work, work with a smile." Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar is a former international cricketer of India who served as captain of the Indian national team. He is regarded as one of the greatest batsmen in the history of cricket. In 2012, he became the first cricketer to score 100 centuries in international play. Famous quote: "People throw stones at you and you convert them into milestones." MS Dhoni. Mahi, the captain cool of the Indian cricket team, has been one of the most successful captains in international cricket history. The legendary cricketer hails from the small city of Ranchi, Jharkhand, and has accomplished great deeds. MS Dhoni was the only captain in the Indian history to win all the ICC trophies. The successful career of Mahi owes to the tremendous talent and hard work incorporated by him. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is an inspiration for all the cricketers and fans around. Famous quote: "Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality." Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand was an Indian field hockey player widely regarded as the greatest field hockey player in history and one of the greatest players of all time according to Britannica Encyclopedia. His contribution to Indian hockey is so great that as a player, coach and selector he helped India win 7 out of 8 Olympics from 1928 to 1964. Major Dhyan Chand was a highly patriotic man. He showed unparalleled dedication and determination in leading the country towards victory and supremacy. Famous quote: "With utmost efforts and determination, you can gain perfection to turn your work into unbelievable magic." Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh, also known as the Flying Sikh, was an Indian track and field sprinter who was introduced to the sport while serving in the Indian Army. He is the only athlete to win gold at 400 meters at the Asian Games as well as the Commonwealth Games. He also won gold medals in the 1958 and 1962 Asian Games. Famous quote: "I would not stop till I had filled up a bucket with my sweat. I would push myself so much that in the end I would collapse and I would have to be admitted to hospital. I would pray to God to save me, promise that I would." Vijender Singh. Vijender Singh Beniwal is an Indian professional boxer and politician. As an amateur, he won a bronze medal at the 2008 Beijing Olympics, becoming the first Indian boxer to win an Olympic medal. Famous quote: "I always try to see the good in everything, and that gives me strength. Even when I lost in the London Olympics quarterfinals, I said to myself, don't lose heart, God has his own plans. Actually, life just goes on. You have to accept whatever challenge you face and become stronger." P.T. Usha, India's first sprinter to play at the Olympics. P.T. Usha's agonizing tale of missing a medal at the 1984 Games by just a millisecond is well documented. However, she had to deal not only with poverty but ill health as well as in her childhood and had to fight her way through to success. Called the Queen of Indian Track and Field, Usha won a number of accolades in her career and set the precedent for athletics in the country. PT Usha triumphed in life's race, overcoming all the challenges that came her way. She faced financial difficulties, inadequate facilities, and health problems with immense confidence and emerged as a winner. Famous quote: happiness is nothing but satisfaction. Satisfaction through hard work, thoughts, and accomplishing our mission. MC Mary Kom. Changmyezhang Mary Kom Mangte, popularly known as Mary Kom, born in Manipur, is an Indian Olympic boxer, 5 times winner of Women's World Amateur Boxing Championships 2002, 2005, 6, 8 and 2010, 4 times winner of Asians Women's Championships 2003, 2005, 2010 and 2012, Arjuna Award by the Government of India in 2003, Padma Shri by the Government of India in 2006, and titled as Magnificent Mary by the International Boxing Association (IBA) in 2008, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award by the Government of India in 2009. Famous quote: "The hardships I faced in my formative years are the foundation of my strength." PV Sindhu. Pusarla Venkata Sindhu, known as PV Sindhu, is an Indian professional badminton player and the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal. Born on July 5, 1995 in Hyderabad, considered one of India's most successful sportspersons, Sindhu has won medals at various tournaments including the Olympics and on the BWF circuit, including a gold at 2019 World Championships. Famous quote: "Your dreams are what define your individuality. They have the power to give you wings and make you fly high." Deepika Kumari. Deepika Kumari is an Indian professional archer, currently ranked the world number 1. She competes in the event of archery. She has been a dominant force in Indian archery for a decade now. The experienced archer has won medals at the World Championships, World Cups, Asian Championships, Asian Games, and Commonwealth Games. She won a gold medal in the 2010 Commonwealth Games in the women's individual recurve event. Famous quote: "Never give up and win with the support of your family." Michael Phelps. Michael Fred Phelps, too, is an American former competitive swimmer. He is the most successful and most decorated Olympian of all time with a total of 28 medals. Phelps also holds the all-time records for Olympic gold medals, Olympic gold medals in individual events also, and Olympic medals in individual events. Famous quote: "So many people along the way, whatever it is you aspire to do, will tell you it can't be done. But all it takes is imagination. You dream, you plan, you reach. There will be obstacles, there will be doubters, there will be mistakes. But with hard work, with belief, with confidence and trust in yourself and those around you, there are no limits." Michael Jordan. Michael Jeffrey Jordan is an American former professional basketball player, led the Chicago Bulls to 6 National Basketball Association championships. He was named the NBA's most valuable player 5 times. Famous quote: "I have failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed." This quote seems to imply the fruit of success grow from the ashes of failure. If you fail, the first is to get back up and apply yourself again, and the second is to learn something from the failure. If you don't do that, you will repeat the same mistake again and again. Roger Federer. Roger Federer is a Swiss professional tennis player who dominated the sport in the early 21st century with his exceptional all-round game. He has won 20 Grand Slam men's singles titles, an all-time record shared with Rafael Nadal and Novak Djokovic. Famous quote: "I am a very positive thinker, and I think that is what helps me the most in difficult moments." Motivational quotes by famous entrepreneurs. Dhirubhai Ambani. Dheerajlal Hirachand Ambani, popularly known as Dhirubhai Ambani, was an Indian business tycoon who founded Reliance Industries. Dhirubhai started his first textile mill at Naroda near Ahmedabad and launched the brand Vimal. He later diversified into petrochemicals and sectors like telecommunications, informational technology, energy, power, retail, textiles, capital markets, and logistics. Famous quote of Dhirubhai Ambani: "Ideas are no one's monopoly. Think big, think fast, think ahead." Meaning, it's important to remember that ideas are unlimited. No matter who you are, where you come from, or what you have done before in business, anyone can come up with the next breakthrough idea. Where you separate yourself and become a true entrepreneur is when you execute on those big ideas. Aziz Premji. Aziz Premji is the pillar behind the success and stability of Wipro for 4 decades. The third wealthiest Indian, Azim Premji has been recognized as one of the greatest entrepreneurs. Wipro grew to be a recognized company in the IT sector because of Azim Premji. A philanthropist at heart, Azim Premji was awarded Padma Bhushan for his contribution in trade and commerce. Famous quote: "You cannot get into business for the fashion of it." Varghese Kurian. Varghese Kurian, known as the father of the White Revolution in India, was a social entrepreneur whose billion-liter idea, Operation Flood, made dairy farming India's largest self-sustaining industry and the largest rural employment sector, providing a third of all rural income. It made India the world's largest milk producer, doubled the milk available for each person, and increased milk output four-fold in 30 years. Famous quote: "Life is a privilege, and to waste it would be wrong. In living this privileged life, you must accept responsibility for yourself. Always use your talents to the best of your ability and contribute somehow to the common good." Lakshmi Mittal. Lakshmi Nivas Mittal is an Indian steel magnate based in the United Kingdom. He is the executive chairman of ArcelorMittal, the world's largest steel-making company, as well as chairman of stainless steel manufacturer Aperam. Famous quote: "Always think outside the box and embrace opportunities that appear wherever they might be." Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, known as the Oracle of Omaha, is an American businessman and philanthropist, widely considered the most successful investor of the 20th century. He has amassed a personal fortune of more than $60 billion by defying prevailing investment trends. Warren Edward Buffett is an American business magnate, investor, and philanthropist. Famous quote: "It is not necessary to do extraordinary things to get extraordinary results." Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, voted twice by Forbes as one of the most powerful women in the world, Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw is one of India's most successful female icons. Her path to fame was never an easy one. This chairman and managing director of Biocon Limited has had to face numerous challenges but never lost hope. Through her journey, she inspired several to enter the biotech world in India. Famous quote: I really believe that entrepreneurship is about being able to face failure, manage failure, and succeed after failing. Vandana Luthra. Vandana Luthra is an Indian entrepreneur and the founder of VLCC Healthcare Limited, a beauty and wellness conglomerate represented in Asia, the GCC, and Africa. She is also the chairperson of the Beauty and Wellness Sector Skill Council, an initiative that provides training under the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana scheme. Vandana Luthra, the lady who built an empire from scratch, is an inspiration to all women out there to not give up on their passion. VLCC's success and its global stronghold is not new to us, a product of sheer passion, hard work, and confidence in one's own self. Famous quote: Just decide who you are going to be and pursue your dream against all odds. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Gail Winfrey is an American talk show host, television producer, actress, author, and philanthropist. Famous quote: The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Meaning, if you focus on all the things in your life that make you happy, then you will be happy every day. But if you focus on all the things that make you sad, you will wake up every day feeling sad, angry, and resentful. Jeff Bezos. Jeffrey Preston Bezos is an American entrepreneur, media proprietor, investor, computer engineer, and commercial astronaut. He is the founder and executive chairman of Amazon, where he previously served as the president and CEO. Famous quote: One of the huge mistakes people make is that they try to force an interest in themselves. You don't choose your passions. Your passions choose you. Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Elliott Zuckerberg is an American media magnate, internet entrepreneur, and philanthropist. He is known for co-founding Meta Platforms, formerly named Facebook, and serves as its chairman, chief executive officer, and controlling shareholder. Famous quote: Move fast and break things. Unless you are breaking stuff, you are not moving fast enough. Elon Musk. Elon Musk, South African-born American entrepreneur who co-founded the electronic payment firm PayPal and formed SpaceX, maker of launch vehicles and spacecraft. He was also one of the first significant investors in as well as chief executive officer of the electric car manufacturer Tesla. Famous quote: When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Bill Gates. Bill Gates, in full William Henry Gates, 3. American computer programmer and entrepreneur who co-founded Microsoft Corporation, the world's largest personal computer software company. Famous quote: Don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself.